Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys the difference between OnePlus Buds Pro 3 and OnePlus Buds 3. So obviously there is a $70 difference between them, but if you have a budget limitation, the 3 Buds 3 is obviously the safer option to go. The only additional features that the Pro 3 is offering will be the what do you call it? The spatial noise audio and then wireless charging, and obviously the sound quality is just a bit better, but it's not a $70 difference. So the thing ultimately comes down to budget. If you listen to both of them, obviously you'll prefer the Buds 3 Pro because they have a better audio quality. But if you are limited by the budget, then just go for the Buds 3 because they don't make that big of a difference. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.